ain't scared.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go, Rob. Ready, go!
You know, babe.
You would never eat a real hairy spider, right? No. I'm asking if they never. Okay, well, we thought we would never have to eat real worms. They're alive.
Other people did that.
Oh, we're disgusting. I think it's real food. Those disgusting foods you would love to see us and stick around to the very end to find out which one of us has to eat a real frog. Hell.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. So the kids are home from school, so I'm making them breakfast. I'm hoping this is enough eggs. Well, how many eggs I made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 eggs. So it's like 2 eggs each. That should be enough. Usually I pour a little milk in here, but I'm gonna give them milk to drink. And then we have we're gonna get one of these for breakfast. Go get dressed, mommy. This is Miss Maddie. Where's Maddie?
I didn't say dibs.
Yeah, you did.
Pick up, baby.
Wait, I'm sitting there. I didn't say dibs.
Hey, hey, hey! Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Here you go, sweet pea.
I said I was sitting there. No, I didn't say dibs. It wasn't a here. Thank you.
You're welcome. Be careful with this, okay? Because it doesn't have a top. Happy birthday, boys.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're 12. Almost 13. Almost 13. What did he say? Why is this on the table? I told you guys to clear the table. Not push it to the center, but clear the table. You need to learn to follow directions. I said clear the table. Look at this. That's not clearing the table. That is not clearing the table. Sit down. Put it back. Just put it back. You can't undo anything right now, because right now I need y'all to sit down and eat. Oh my word. There you go.
Thank you. Okay, I'll have 4. Thank you.
Enjoy.
A junior. Finally.
We have empanadas in the house. We have grandma and grandpa and auntie back for the boy's birthday. I didn't vlog today.
Romaine lettuce off your menu.
Romaine lettuce off your you can't eat romaine lettuce this holiday because you might die. Oh my god. Hey guys. Hi. Hi. That's Marcelo's sister. That's his dad. And then his mommy. Fluffy's mean. Hey Fluffy. He doesn't like Juju. Boys are 12. The boys are 12 this year. We almost have teenagers on our hands. Teenagers! 1 more year. I feel old. I feel old. And yeah. So if you remember, his mom was here yesterday and then she left and then they came back today. Now I was just asking her why there's a turkey on the cake. Oh.
You can take it off if you want.
I don't want to. I'm just gonna leave the turkey on there.
6 and 6. 3 and 3.
Happy birthday to you. How old are they, Jason?
12.
How old are they?
12.
We have a
They're 12 years old.
turkey.
I meant to sing the happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Come on. Come on, birthday boys. Come on.
All the blue.
Come on.
Put it in the candle.
Put it inside. Put it inside.
Daddy put a candle for each of you.
Okay, that's okay.
This candle represents 12 years. Don't touch.
For the cake.
Let's spank a hand. This, don't touch.
No touch. No touch. Oh.
This candle represents 12 years. This is Jordan. Jordan, do you want the green one because you're wearing a green shirt?
Sure.
And you could have the green one. And Jason, you could have the blue one because it represents masculinity.
And plus, Jason likes
Masculinity, meaning you're masculine. Show us the muscles.
That's me.
Okay.
Show the muscle.
That's you? Then you want to switch?
Yeah.
Okay, show us the muscle.
How does that?
Oh man, look at that.
Look at the muscle.
Hide it, Jordan. Don't burn the house down.
I smell smoke.
He said he smells smoke, babe. Get it, Jordan.
Oh gosh. Take it.
He freaked out.
Okay. So to take this is scary.
Do it again, Jordan. Come on, do it again. No, do it again.
Put it in there.
No, let him do it. Let him do it. Come on, do it again.
Terrifying. Put the mask in here.
Here. All right, close the box. Close the box.
I can't do this. Yes, you can. I don't want to do it.
Okay, now then.
And then back away and blow it.
Okay.
Good job, Jason. Oh my word, night and day. Ready?
Which one's mine? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jason. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
He blew his candle out. Baby, you gotta light his candle back. He didn't get to blow. No, let him do it. Let him do it. All right, go, Jordan. Light your candle, Jordan.
It's a troubling trend.
You're going too fast.
Just this year.
The other one?
Yeah, well,
Good job.
happy birthday
to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Look at us.
Happy birthday, dear Roberto. Happy birthday to you.
I'm gonna show you guys something. So this blackboard that's been up here for a while, I wanted to do something with it, but I didn't know what. So from afar, it looks really pretty. Kind of goes with the theme of this room, which is kind of like snowflake-ish. So it's just a tree on a hill, and if you look close, it's snowing. So I drew that since night. The kids are gonna take turns trusting each other. So turn the TV down. Turn the TV down. Let's see. Let's see. Turn the TV down. All right, who's gonna go first? All right. So Destiny. No, Rob, get your. They're not thrusting anything, Rob. No, they're gonna. I said trust it. No, shut up, babe. Shut up. Wait. All right. I didn't say thrusting, babe. I said trusting.
I have idea.
All right.
Destiny, when Jason's gonna fall on her, and then she falls, and then
all right, go again, Jason.
like the domino.
All right, Jason, you're a fail. You hesitated. You're supposed to go.
Catch.
All right, you gotta back up. All right, there. Go, Jordan. You don't trust anyone, Jordan.
I trust people.
All right. Wait, before we stop fighting.
Oh, they're playing the trusting game.
Yeah, we're playing the trusting game. All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it again. Actually, I'm gonna do it.
All right, go ahead.
Yeah, go backwards a little. Ah! My turn.
Such a failure. All right, Jason, your turn.
You can't get a tip, you lose.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
Can you see? Can you see me? Okay, you can't see. It's okay. All right.
Ready?
No, back up.
How?
Back up.
Let me go forward.
Shut up.
Go.
Backing up, you're pushing her.
Go forward. All right. Don't look back. All right. 1, 2,
3.
You have to trust your mother. Stand right here. You have to trust me.
Okay.
We're going into teenagehood. Turn around. Turn around. You have to trust me, okay? I will never hurt you.
3.
Just relax and lay it on me. Come on.
3.
Come on. I will catch you. She does not trust me, babe.
Okay. Just here.
Okay, one more chance for Destiny to trust me, or else I'm gonna kick her out of my house. Turn around. Ready?
3, 2,
Go. Trust me. No, it's not happening.
Okay,
Come on,
okay.
Gio. Let's see if Gio trusts me. No. You done. Canceling Christmas. Can't believe 10 years and you don't trust me. Gio, you have to trust mommy. You don't trust me? Nobody trusts me.
Mommy, let me do it.
Okay, Gio.
Let me do it. Can I do it?
Destiny, come. Destiny.
Okay. Alright, Destiny wants to do it one more time. You have to back up a little bit.
Like this?
Trust goes a long way. Turn around.
I did. Mommy.
Alright, let it go.
Okay, let me do it.
Alright, come on, Jason. We've been through so much together, JJ. So much. Turn around. Turn your ashy self around. The other way. Turn around. Face the TV. We've been through a lot together, JJ.
3, 2, 1, go.
12 years. 12 years is a long time to not trust someone.
3, 2, 1, go. Now?
Yes.
Put in stop.
I knew it.
I'm sorry, baby. I let you down.
Emotional people.
He took a step back.
Huh?
He took a step back.
You did?
I'm gonna try.
You didn't do it the whole way. Alright, ready? Jordan, 12 years.
Okay.
12 years. Do you trust me?
Sure.
Do you think I have your back?
I think.
Alright, let it go. He didn't. Okay, Daddy turn. Alright, come on, Destiny.
My hands off.
Oh, she trusts Daddy a little bit, but not Mommy. Alright, Destiny, come. Let's see if Daddy. Alright.
You wanna do it again?
Go ahead. Oh my word, she trusts Daddy so much. Okay, my turn. Jason, your turn. Oh, Jackson. All right, turn forward. Gotta face forward.
Face forward.
All right, about right there. His length is about there. Nope, not all the way. Go. Nope. You just gotta let go as if nothing. Oh, honey,
Yes.
13 years is a long time.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, do I trust you? Do I trust you? Where are you? I can't feel you. You're not breathing down my neck.
Can't be that close.
I love you. I love you, Ron.
I love you too.
Jewelry exchange Bethesda. Shop Black Friday interest deals.
Are you gonna catch me when
Yes,
I fall,
I'm gonna
Ron?
catch you.
You sure about that? You sure about that, babe? Is I'm gonna let it go?
Yes.
Okay, Daddy's turn. Watch out. Go forward, babe.
I get no.
Let's see how far. Right. Okay. Do you trust me, babe?
Yes.
Good.
Do you trust me?
I trust you.
Jesus, you're a whole lot of muscle. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, baby, I will never let you fall.
Yeah.
I will break my neck trying to catch you.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, I think I need reinforcement.
She's
Okay, I'm ready. Let it go, Rob. Let it go.
Let me draw.
We go on.
Mommy, let's go.
Maddie, is it your turn?
Why did you let me fall?
I did not let you
You
go.
didn't catch me.
I did.
You're supposed to catch me and I caught you.
Okay. All right. Whose turn is it?
Mine was mommy. Mine with mommy. Mine with mommy. Okay?
Okay. All right.
Jason. Jason. My turn.
Maddie's doing it. Oh, get Maddie. Maddie's doing it with Bubby.
Yeah.
Go, Maddie.
Go, Maddie.
Oh, she trusts him. You want to do it with mommy, Maddie? Come. Mommy's turn. Turn around, okay? Ready? Do you trust me? 2 years. 2 years. Let it go, Maddie. Let it go.
Go, Meg. Go.
Fall back, Mama.
Go, Meg.
Come on. Come on. Yeah! You tried. All right, ready? We'll try it again. Ready? Let it go. Come on.
Go, Meg. Go.
Come on.
Meg, do this. Do this, Meg.
Throw my leg out trying to jump.
Fall back, Mama.
I really hurt myself.
Oh! All
You
right.
didn't catch me. You let my
Okay.
No,
Mommy, can I turn it off?
I tried.
Can I turn it off?
The whole, yeah.
Okay, guys. So I'm just editing the birthday vlog for the boys, and I realized I don't have an ending. My bad. I'm sorry. So, anyways, I need to. The lighting in this house is not that great. And sorry if I keep looking up here. It's just that I need to make sure the lighting. What are you supposed to be doing? Anyways, before this gets any longer, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video thing. It's all over the place. I didn't really properly vlog, so I will see you guys today. Bye, guys.